in the shuttle bus on the way to the station at Cairns for our TravelTrain to Townsville.
Traveling light, because my man has gone. So from now on, I'm traveling light. He said goodbye and took my heart away. So from today,
Cairns Central.
I'm traveling light. No one to see. I'm free as the breeze. No one but me. Me and my memories, some lucky.
Here we are on the TravelTrain at Cairns Station, journey to Townsville.
Now
During the journey, this train is fitted with an entertainment system featuring a selection of current release movies and audio programs. Safety video will play after departure from major stations. Headsets and a complimentary onboard magazine for you to keep are located in your seat pocket. The entertainment unit folds out of the armrest of your seat, and on channel 14 a journey map and a driver camera are displayed. The onboard staff are here to ensure your journey is safe and as comfortable. Should you need any assistance, please ask any member of the staff. Announcements regarding the catering facilities on this train will be made shortly. Shortly the staff belong to verify your tickets. Please have them on hand to get the concession cards you may have used. Thank you and good morning.
he may come back again. So until then, I'm traveling light.
Train, we're about 2 hours south of Cairns. Just got past Innisfall. Coconuts on those trees are ripe and ready. Lots of banana plantations. Okay, the landscape is totally different from the top end. Northern Territory and the top end is a long way away. The view from the other side is not that different, flatter. And that is looking out to the ocean quite a while away. So that's the view outside. Hills in the distance. Some white horses grazing. Or the cows. They are cows. And meanwhile, lunch is served. Pasta, roll, some juice, carrot and pineapple cake. Yummy. Ingham Station. So here we are, folks, at Townsville Station, the train that has just come in from Cairns, which I've disembarked on, waiting at a platform to leave Townsville, going towards Brisbane. Meanwhile, find the Holiday Inn, along there somewhere. There goes the train, the TravelTrain to Brisbane.
I'm traveling light, so until then.
It's a Sunday afternoon. Townsville is sleeping. Only mad dogs and Englishmen running around at this time of the afternoon on a hot Sunday afternoon.